Hello friends, in this video I shall discuss about Boolean field in Django. So a Boolean value or a Boolean field or Boolean data type in Python represent two values. Either it is a true or it is false. So we may have situations, we want one situation or the other situations. So in our project we shall use Boolean field how to publish on or unpublish our articles. So let us check how to use the Boolean field. So I have a project. This is my project. It is a virtual environment. Inside this I have a project Django tutorial, and I have already created a app with name test1 underscore app, and I shall go to models.py file, and I have already a model with the name articles here, uh, which is being used to save articles with the name, title, and description field, which will have the description of the article, and there are some other fields also. And we want that the articles which are created by the users should be published on the website, and this is my website. These are the articles which have been created by the user robin.hood, and we want that this article should be shown here once it has been published. So in such a situation we need to create a field which will help us to show the only the articles which are being published by the user on the main site or the main page of the website. So let us add a Boolean field here so that we can publish and unpublish our articles. So let us type a field name is underscore published. Let me correct the spelling. So let me, so I was selecting a Boolean field here, and I shall be giving a default value here, default value as false. So it will have a false value as default. So by default the articles will remain unpublished, and it will be published by the user manually. So having added this field, let us now save the file and do the necessary migrations. So let me stop my server and clear the terminal, and let me do make migrations. So it will tell the Django that we are going to add a new field to the model articles. So after that we shall be typing the command migrate manage.py migrate. This command will actually create the field in the table articles in the database. So everything has been done, there has been no any error, and we can start our server once again. So I am starting the server. So after this we need to create a view which will help us to use the field article so that we can publish and unpublish our articles. So just go to views.py. Let us create a field here which will help us to publish and unpublish our articles. So let us give any name to the field, set underscore publication So you can type any name here. You can give any name you like and just type request here and just type a ID field, because this ID will be help us to get the article. So use to publish or unpublish articles. So let me access the article. You need to type like this. Articles is the name of our model. Model is articles, and just type objects, just type get here, and we shall be getting the particular ID which will be used to publish it. So we will be accessing a single article at a time. So next we need to type like this: article dot is underscore publish equal to true. It will be true if the value request dot get is underscore published. This will the query parameter which we shall be getting on. I shall show you later on how we shall get the query parameter is underscore published. If the value is underscore published is equal to true, else it is will be false. So within quotes. So if the value is true, then is underscore published become true. Otherwise it will be false. Or just save the article record. After that we can also pass a message here, pass a flash message to the user that the status has been updated. Just type here request, then messages, then success, because we want to pass a success message. The status has been updated. You can give any message, any meaningful message you like, and just type here return redirect and reverse view underscore article. So what is view underscore article? View underscore article is the name of this URL. View, it is the name of the URL which is used to give the list of articles. So this is view underscore article, which providing the listing of the articles. Okay, so after we have created our view function, let us save the file and create a URL for our view function. Let us go to urls.py and just copy this line and paste it below, and let us just copy this view function and just replace these strings. So we will passing the ID of the article so that our view function render is functions. Okay, so after doing this, after we have created the model field, and after we had added the view function here, and also we have added the URLs for the view functions, and our view function, this will be used to dongle the value for the field is underscore published. The user will have the right to publish or unpublish his article. So let us go to the view underscore article. This is used to create the list of the article. So let us pass the field here which we have already created. So in our model we have already created a field is underscore published. So let us put here so that we can access in the file view underscore article dot html. So let us go to this one and let us type a heading here is published, which is already done here, which is already I have put here already here. So next I have to put here the other conditions. If a dot is underscore published is true, if the value is true, to what we shall be doing? We shall be rendering a button if value is true. We should be typing yes, and in the bracket we shall type unpublish, and we shall give a type here. So type will be button, and let us give a bootstrap class here, btn sm and btn and then we shall type another condition here. Just copy this line, just copy this button HTML and paste it here, and if the article is not published, if the value is false, if the value is underscore published value is false, then this button will be displayed with different color. So it will put a yellow color and it will put a green color. Okay, and just and if just and the condition. So we will have two button depending on the condition having different colors. So if the article is already published, it will be rendered as yes, label will be yes, and in the bracket we will tell user to unpublish it if he wants to unpublish, or publish it if it is not published. So let us now refresh our page and see the changes. So let me correct this one. Let me add the tag here. We haven't added the tag here. It is important that we should add the td tag here. So after adding the tag here, so let us check again. So you can see that yellow color has been displayed and no article is yet published here. So it is telling us to publish. If we click here, it will try to publish the article, but it is not clickable now. No action has been put here. So let us put some action here. Let us put action here. Let us pass a URL here. So I shall be passing a URL here, which I have already created. Just type here href and pass the URL here, which we have already view function which we have already created. So the name of our view function is. So we shall put the name of the URL here which we have created recently. just go to urls.py. We have already created set underscore publication, so you can just put here and just complete this naming tags. So this will render the actual URL. So we have put a URL here, and we also need to pass the ID here. So to pass the ID, it is better to use it like this. To avoid any error, I shall be using it like this. Use it like this, and we shall pass the ID, because the view function required an ID here. So it is better to use this one, because the ID will be different for every article. So after that, we shall be passing the parameter is underscore published. I've already said you that we shall be accepting a query param is underscore published. So just copy this one and just put it here. So if the article is published, user can unpublish it. So just pass a false here. So if false is passed by the user, the article will be unpublished. And let us copy this one and put the URL also here. And let me set the tags correctly. Anchor, these are anchor tags which we need to set. So we need to set it to true. So this below button will tell us to publish the article. So if you want to publish the article, just pass the value true to the view function so that it becomes as published. So this button will toggle the values true or false. So we have already done everything. So we can now change the status of the article. Let us check if it is working as we accepted. Just refresh the page once. Just we can click this article, this we want to publish, and you can say the status has been updated here. A message has been correctly displayed, but there was no change in the color. Let us see what has been done wrong here. So I am checking the view function here. I think view function is not working correctly. There is a mistake. So there should be a single equal only. So let me save it and check it again. So let us check it again. So you can see that it is working now perfectly. The article is published now. It has the value is underscore published as true, and you can do something so that articles will appear here in this page. Otherwise it can be seen in the user profile. So we can again go to the another view function. This is view underscore article functions, which is used to get the listing of the articles created by the user. And again we have another function. We have another function which is used to display the published articles. So let us go to this function. Let us go to urls.py function. So this is function, article function. So it is here the article functions. So we can just pass the query here, just copy this query. We need this query. Just copy this query, and this is ORM syntax, and just go here, and we will show you a published article. So what we shall be doing here, we should be just accessing our field is underscore published and giving it a true value. So we are filtering the articles which have the is underscore published as true, and we shall pass the articles list to our templates, so we can access there. So we can just go to articles.html, and we can type the required HTML here. We shall just need some table tags here. I shall copy the tags here. So just copy this one, and we shall be using that one here, and we shall be using here. And let me correct this heading, and we don't need which we don't need this one. So it is done now. Let us check what is happening now. Just refresh the page. So let me correct the tags. Let us save it again and refresh the page. You can see their published article is displayed now. So in this way we can use the Boolean field to change the situation, to toggle the situation, to publish and unpublish articles, which I have already done here. So thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.